Ants. Ants are the movers and shakers of nature. Right now, ants are scurrying around every continent except Antarctica, doing the hard work of engineering environments. They hunt and forage for food and sometimes get eaten along the way. There are more than 12,000 different species of ant. Ants are invertebrate insects with bodies that are divided into three main parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. The ant's body is supported and shielded by a waterproof exoskeleton made of chitin, a hard fibrous substance. Their two antennae serve as the ant's main sensory organs. Ants have a pair of compound eyes that consist of many photoreceptors that allow them to see light and shadows. Ants have highly evolved social systems with three different castes: queens, males, and workers. The workers are females but cannot reproduce. Most of the eggs the queen lays hatch into workers. Ants are tiny in size but not in number. A recent 2022 study estimated that there are about 20 quadrillion ants on the earth at any given time. That's 200,000 trillion individuals. The estimated overall number is almost unimaginably huge, but the study authors said it was a low guess. This is because they could not gather all the data they wanted to include. For example, there were no studies available that could provide the numbers of how many live underground. This research collected ants at over 1,300 locations. Many groups of scientists around the world are now studying ant brains, trying to understand exactly why they are so good at working together. Ants evolved between 140 million and 168 million years ago. Ants use a variety of ways to move around, such as the sun's position, light patterns, visual landscapes, smells, wind direction, slope, ground texture, step counting, and more. This list makes ants better than humans for navigating around their world. Think honeybees and paper wasps have a painful sting? The bullet ant has a jab that produces a debilitating pain that can last up to 24 hours. It is believed that the bullet ant has the most intense sting of any insect on Earth. Honeypot ants have a unique means of surviving in the deserts where they live. They store excess food in the bodies of some of their workers. Deep in the underground nests, honeypot ants stuff members of their colony until they look like golden water balloons. When food is scarce in the desert, the colony will feed from these living storage tanks. Ants may also be farmers. Leafcutter ants are found in South and Central America and in the southern United States. They bite off pieces of leaves and take them to underground nests. Here the leaves serve as food for a fungal colony, which the ants harvest and eat.